Good medical morning. Today, we're going to talk about WWE superstar Triple H, who tore his pectoralis muscle at an event called Crown Jewel in Saudi Arabia. Here's a photo that the cerebral assassin took after the event. Triple H's surgery will be performed by Dr. James Andrews of Andrews Sports Medicine and Orthopedic Center in Birmingham, Alabama.
Shoulder overhead came out the bottom and destroyed all of his labrum completely around his shoulder as well.
We'll have a quick update with some post-op pics at the end, as well as another surprise injury from a different famous figure in wrestling. So stick around. Dr. Andrews has become one of the most well-known and popular orthopedic surgeons and has performed on many high-profile athletes.
All the wrestlers have had surgery at some point or another with Dr. Andrews, including Triple H and Batista.
He also is the team doctor for the Alabama Crimson Tide, Tampa Bay Rays, Auburn University Tigers, and Washington Redskins. Among hundreds of famous cases, he worked on John Cena's elbow injury and Triple H's torn quad. It's expected that Triple H will miss WrestleMania as a result of his surgery, although there is some chance that the superstar could recover before the event in 5 months. Here are a couple pics of Triple H after the surgery. Looks better already. Comment below if you think he'll recover in time. Also, around the same time this was all happening, legendary old school wrestling announcer Jim Ross took a nasty fall and ended up looking like this. Let us know if you'd like to see a video or update on his condition. Thanks for watching, hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications, and we'll see you next time.
Hi you guys, my name is Gabby and I'm here to do my testimonial on Thynergy. Thynergy has given me way more energy than I had in recent months. It's helped me lose about 20 pounds and I'm really happy with my current body and the form that I have. So please check the link below, recommends Thynergy, and I think it'll work for you.